Good morning guys, how's it going? We are currently at the Vancouver airport. We are waiting to board our flight. We're headed to Taiwan with Taiwan Tourism Bureau and Air Canada. I am so excited. It's going to be a really great time. I just did my self-tanner, so that's why I'm looking tanned. I'll be more tanned now than I will be coming back from the trip. Kyle, what are you excited for?
Food. I heard they have really good dumplings, so I'm pretty excited.
Say it louder for the people in the back.
So I'm excited for the dumplings.
You guys know we love food, so we're really excited to eat, as we do everywhere we travel to. All we do is eat. Yeah, it should be a fun time. I will be bringing you guys along for the adventure, and we're gonna have some fun. Alright, so we just made it to Taipei. It has been a really long day. I don't think we've slept in how many hours?
25
hours. Yeah, we just checked into our hotel. Check out the view. It is amazing. Look at the view. Tonight we are going to check out the building, Taipei 101. It is the 8th tallest building in the world. So we're gonna go check that out, and then we're going to get dumplings. You guys, the first night we're getting dumplings. So we are about the dumplings. So we're excited for that. So it should be a fun night. We're gonna power through even though we're really tired and just enjoy our time. Today is our first full day in Taiwan. Yesterday was a lot of fun, but it was kind of a blur. After our flights, we got into Taipei, and then we went to Taipei 101, which was really cool. The whole lookout over the city was amazing. And we were there like right at sunset, which is my favorite time for a cityscape. And then after that, we went to a dinner and we had some dumplings and some rice and a lot of really good food. And then after dinner, we went to the night market. It was optional, but I cannot miss out on a good market. So we went to the market, even though we were so tired. But I feel like that's kind of what you have to do. You just have to like power through the day and try to get on the same time schedule. So we went to the night market. The market was really cool, actually. They had a ton of games and things like that. Like those games from Toy Story, you know, where the claw goes down. The claw. The claw. The claw. Where the claw goes down and you pick like a stuffed animal. So they had tons of things like that. They also had this game where it was like a target of balloons and you had to shoot pins at the balloons and try to get all of the balloons popped, and then you'd win a big prize. So Kyle tried that one out. Didn't win the big prize though, did you?
Oh, I won the big prize. Check me out.
So we won that. That's our big prize. Last night we actually got to have a full sleep, so that was like amazing. And today we're feeling refreshed. We're ready to take on the day. The weather should be beautiful. It's gonna be a good time. and we're about to try some cactus fruit ice cream.
How is it?
It's like, it's not really sweet, it's different tasting.
Like bitter?
Kind of. No, not bitter either. Kyle says it tastes like jam.
It does.
Yeah, that's an accurate description. Yum.
Good, like it.
Now, and this is our last morning in Taiwan. I'm kind of sad. So we're going home later today. The past week was incredibly busy. Every single day was jam-packed full of stuff. So I'm gonna try to cut this video so it's not crazy long. But yeah, we had such a good time. Was it yesterday or the day before when we were in Sun Moon Lake? Sun Moon Lake was absolutely beautiful. We took a boat ride across the lake. What else did we do? We did a little bike ride around Sun Moon Lake. We got up really early one morning and took a bike ride, which was beautiful. And yeah, it was just a lot of fun. Last night we went to the night market here. I was actually blown away by the night market here. I was expecting it to be like more street vendor type stuff, but it was like an outdoor mall almost. It was really cool. And I guess that's one of the more popular ones in Taipei. I think our guide was saying there's about five big ones. So there's a lot to choose from. So the one we went to last night was pretty fun. We just took a walk around. So yeah, this morning is our last morning and then we have to check out and we're flying back to Vancouver. So we're gonna get some bubble tea because we're obsessed now. We love the bubble tea. So we're gonna do that and just try to enjoy our last morning. But you guys have to check out this view. The hotel we're in right now is ridiculous. Like, look at that. Yeah, as soon as we walked in, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to take photos on this bed. We're really lucky that we got a corner room so we can see all the views. And then last night when we were just lying in bed, we were like looking out the window and watching all the cars and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. We're gonna get some bubble tea and then we'll be on our way home.